All right, hello everyone. This is again Mrs. Straub. We are taking a look at enduring issues, and I'm just going to blow this sheet up for you so it's a little bit easier to see. In this lesson, we are talking about enduring issues, and we're going to be looking at these two words, enduring and issue. What is an enduring issue? Enduring means it's something that is continuing or long lasting. And an issue is a challenge or problem for debate or discussion. So when we put these two words together, what does it mean? An enduring issue is a challenge or problem that has been debated or discussed across time. We encounter enduring issues every day, and people have been dealing with them throughout history. They are enduring because they are difficult to solve and they come up frequently. We're going to examine two examples on this sheet. Our first example involves Zach and Sarah, and they do not like to share. So this is Zach and Sarah as children. This is Zach and Sarah represented as adults. I'm going to read this little two paragraphs down here so that we can understand what the enduring issue is between Zach and Sarah. Zach and Sarah are brother and sister. When they were kids, they hated sharing with one another. As a result, their parents bought them separate toys. If Zach got a toy truck and Sarah wanted to use it, he would run away and hide it, and Sarah would complain to their parents until they bought her one of her own. Now, as adults, they still won't share. If Zach needs to borrow Sarah's truck to help with some yard work, she refuses. If Sarah needs a ride to the airport, Zach won't take her. So, how is this an enduring issue? It's an issue that comes up a lot between these two people. It's also enduring because it has lasted over a long period of time. It's lasted since they were kids into adulthood. Therefore, it is an enduring issue. I want you to start thinking about what enduring issues you may have personally. Meanwhile, we're going to take another look at another example of an enduring issue. And this is the issue is war is used to gain power. And here's the evidence for that. Dates in the left-hand column, events in the right-hand column. We can see from 600 BC all the way down through these dates, and we're moving forward in time, coming closer and closer to present time, all the way to 2015 to present day. All of these are wars that date back to 600 BC, that's before Common Era or before Christ was born, to 2015 and present day. Now, this is just a small handful of the wars that have taken place across the globe since 600 BC. There are many, many, many more wars fought for the purpose of gaining and maintaining power. So an enduring issue here is war used to gain power. So those are our two examples of enduring issues. Now, there's a couple questions here. What makes Zach and Sarah's inability to share an enduring issue? What makes the use of war to gain power an enduring issue? I want you to keep thinking about these kinds of questions because later on I'm going to ask you to identify an enduring issue of your own, or maybe one in your community. Enduring issues are historically significant. What is historical significance? We encounter enduring issues in our own lives and see evidence of enduring issues in the world around us. All of the enduring issues we observe are significant or important in one way or another. In global history, we study those issues that have endured and are historically significant, historically important. To prove that something is historically significant, one needs to show that it affected a lot of people and had long-lasting effects. So this is key. How is something historically significant? It had to affect a lot of people, and it had to last a long time and have long-lasting effects. Something is significant if it is important. Something is historically significant if it affects a lot of people, had a long lasting effect. So, based on the definition above, which one of the examples of enduring issues from the previous activity is historically significant? Zach and Sarah's inability to share, or the use of violence to gain power? And I'm going to have you answer that in the Edpuzzle. So, which one is historically significant? Which one affects a lot of people and has long lasting effects? Go ahead and answer that in the Edpuzzle. What I'd like you to also answer in the Edpuzzle is this. Based on what you have learned, complete these tasks. Answer in the Edpuzzle what an enduring issue is. Explain that to me. Next, I want you to identify one enduring issue in your life. Explain why it is an enduring issue and explain why it is significant or important to you. Then I'd like you to identify one enduring issue you see in your community, state, country, or the world. Explain why it is an enduring issue and explain why it is significant.